In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern 24 news intro in After Effects. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're here in After Effects and I have already imported here Earth map. I will leave the link down below in the description so you can follow along and download it, okay? First I'm gonna create the final composition like usual, and this is gonna be full HD, 6 seconds long, and I'm gonna hit OK, and for the next step go right click to create solid layer. I'm gonna rename it BG for background, hit OK, go here inside the effects and presets, find fill effect, add it to the solid layer, and basically if you want to see exact color like mine, type this hexa code 2B007B, and this is gonna be purple color here on our solid layer. Hit OK, and for the next step I'm gonna duplicate this background solid layer, hit Ctrl+D, this is gonna be dots, change here dots color to white color, like so, go here inside the effects and presets, find ball action effect, drag and drop onto the dots, change grid spacing from 5 to 10, and I'm gonna go for the ball size 7. Now let's change blending mode from normal to overlay, and this is gonna be these subtle dots here inside the final composition. Okay, for the next step, grab this Earth map here inside the project window and import it here inside the final composition, and basically let's make further adjustments. Now go back here inside the effects and presets and type color key effect, this one, and drag and drop onto the Earth map, and now we're gonna key out this white color. Choose eyedropper, select the white color, and for the color tolerance I'm gonna go 50. Okay, for the next step I'm gonna go and add CC sphere effect, drag and drop also on the Earth map, and for the radius I'm gonna go with 550, and for the final effect I'm gonna add fill effect, also add it to the Earth map, and as you can see our Earth is now red colored. Now we're gonna animate rotation, open up this little option inside CC sphere effect, create the first keyframe for the Y rotation here at 0 seconds. Now I'm gonna go to around 6 seconds and type 1, and this is gonna be one full circle animation for this sphere. Now let's duplicate this Earth map, hit Ctrl+D, change fill color to white color, and here inside this CC sphere effect, for the render option, change from full, I'm gonna go inside. And now when we hit 0, our Earth will be white and red colored. Okay guys, now you can simply import your text. I'm gonna hit Ctrl+T, and this is gonna be our first text, 24. And for the font size, I'm gonna go 250, Montserrat bold. Okay, go inside the effects and presets, and I'm gonna add a little bit of shadows, drop shadow, and I'm gonna center it somewhere around here. Now I'm gonna hit Ctrl+D to duplicate this text, and this is gonna be news. Okay, and for this one, I'm gonna go with 95 font size, and let's move this one down somewhere around here. And also guys, for the next step I'm gonna add solid layer to create text box here inside the final composition. Go right click to create new solid again. This is gonna be text box. Hit OK, you can turn off visibility so you don't have to see it. Select this text box solid layer, go here and find this rounded rectangle tool. And now I'm gonna draw the shape like this one. Okay, and this is gonna be our text box. Now you can turn on the visibility, move this one below, 24 text, adjust it here inside the final composition. Now go back here inside the effects and presets, find fill effect, apply it to the solid layer, and basically this is gonna be our cool looking text box. You can go back here inside the effects and presets, add drop shadow effect, okay, apply it to the text box again. I'm gonna go for distance 10 and for the softness 20, duplicate this once, and now we have created cool looking shadows here inside the final composition. And now when we hit 0, this is gonna be cool looking scene. And for the end you can also animate this text box, also news and 24, but I will leave this one to you. Alright guys, that was everything for today's tutorial. You can use this technique in your own projects. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative and bye bye!